Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel Shells Hearts Art, and today I'll be doing a video on my May makes. So let's get into it. So the first thing I'll be talking about is what I'm wearing right now, and it is a Freya dress from Tilly and the Buttons. I have the book right here just in case you are unaware of the Freya dress, and I will show you a picture right now. So here it is, the Freya dress. And if you saw my last video, I did talk about the Freya dress because I did sew this dress last month as well, so I made another one. This dress, last month I used a red velvet, and this month this is a Cali fabric knit print. Very colorful, as you can see, and I did do the ruffles once again. Love the way it turned out. Very easy. I won't go too much into detail. If you want to hear my opinion on the Freya dress, you can watch my last video, but overall it's a very fun, easy make, very beginner friendly. If you're new to sewing with knits, highly recommend the Freya dress. I think it's really cute. So yeah, it's a fun make, one of my makes for the month of May. So next, what else did I sew? I sewed McCall's M7121. I have the pattern right here, and as you can see, it's just they have a maxi dress and a mini dress option. I did the mini dress. I did view A. That's view A minus the contrast, minus the center seam, and minus the elastic. So I basically just did a very simple version of this dress. I chose to leave out the elastic because I really did want something loose fitting, something that I could just wear on the run, very easy going type of clothes, and just basically loungewear is what I was aiming for. I have the dress right here. Let me show you. And as you can see, you can definitely tell there's no elastic in it. Very loose fit. There's nothing scrunching in the middle, so there's no elastic. And yeah, I love the way it came out. I've worn it a few times already, and I got the fabric from Hobby Lobby. It's just this floral stretchy fabric, stretch knit that I had sitting in my fabric stash for a while. I want more of it because I do love the print. Like, the print itself is very beautiful with the flowers. So yeah, that was a make, another make for the month of May. Very easy. I'm really trying to incorporate more easygoing loungewear into my wardrobe because I want to get a lot of use out of the things I sew, and I know that if I make more clothes like loungewear or just easy breezy type of clothes, I'll be more inclined to wear them. So yeah, that's another make. Next is a Rosie Pena pattern. Like I said, she did release her Free Spirit collection, and the Bella wrap top was one of the patterns included. Really love this wrap top. It looks so pretty, and she has two options. You can do a sleeveless option, or you can do the option with the angel sleeves. I did the option with the angel sleeves, and I used a very drapey soft knit fabric. Love the way it turned out. Her wrap top also features this interesting, it's a really cool neat technique where it has a hole in it where you can loop the ties through. So I tried to do it here if I can untangle it. Please bear with me. Let's see. Okay, here it is. So she has like this cool technique where you loop the ties through, so it makes it a lot more dependable and dependable to wear when you wear it. So there's if the ties come apart, you won't be exposed or anything like that. But I do wear my wrap top with a undershirt. I like to wear like a white undershirt to pair, or possibly like a purple would be cute too. But yeah, either way, I do, whether you choose to wear a undershirt or not with it, I think that option is just provides a lot more security. So yeah, I like that option that comes with the wrap top, and overall it's just a really pretty top. I love the angel sleeves. When I saw her wearing the angel sleeves, I knew that's the version I wanted to make because I thought it was so cute. But I've seen a couple of versions sewn up without the angel sleeves, and those are cute as well. And I think that this is the type of pattern that will make a great gift as well because it can be dressed up, dressed down. I can see someone pairing this, like the way I wear it, I usually wear it with like some kind of top underneath, so I think it'll be cute to layer. But if somebody wants to wear it without a top, I think that'll be cute as well. So it's a very versatile pattern, so I highly recommend it if you're thinking about gift giving or sewing something up for somebody. So yeah, those were all my makes, so be sure to stay tuned to the end of the video. I will insert pictures of all my makes. Anyways, I thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a nice day. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on social media, Instagram, Shells Hearts Art. Bye bye.